Hello. These are extraordinary times for all of us. Up and down the UK, graduation dates have been brought forward so that you can join the frontline workforce sooner than you would otherwise have done. The University of Southampton MedSoc has been working on a project to bring together a series of crash course videos to set our newly graduated students up for what lies ahead. Many doctors and faculty members have helped in creating the videos, which are designed to help doctors graduating from all medical schools to climb the learning curve a little bit faster. I would like to thank everyone who has contributed towards these resources, and I'm looking forward to using them myself as I return to the front line of care after many years working in an outpatient-based specialty. We congratulate all of our newly graduated doctors, and we thank all the doctors for the service you will be giving to your patients in these extraordinary and challenging circumstances. Good luck.